In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit your messages in Slack. So if you had sent a message to any of your groups or any of your workmates and you'd like to go ahead and make changes on the message that you had sent, it is pretty simple. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so I've just written work begins now, and then I realized I need to make some changes here or add some information to this message that I've already sent. To make the changes, just hover over the message and on the right hand side, click on more action, and then you'll see an option, edit message. Now, if you click on this, now your message will be available for edit. So I'll go ahead and add. So I wanted to make some changes. I've just made some changes on the message, and now you can see it is indicated as edited. So that's how you can edit messages in Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.